Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how you can create different types of views in Snowflake. Let's go to Snowflake, and after creating a new notebook, we will start by creating a new warehouse. I am going to call it prod_excel, and the size of the warehouse is going to be extra large. You can select any other size that you want. Then I will select the database and the schema into which I want to create the views for the present tables. We will start by creating a view for the orders table in which we are going to add only those orders where the priority is urgent, and all the data will be stored in the view. Run the query and your view with urgent orders will be created. Let's have a look at the view by selecting the record from the view, and we are going to limit the rows to 10. Let's run it, and you can see that the view seems fine for now with all the data. Next, I will create a materialized view. The materialized view persists the data on your disk. Mostly you will create a materialized view only if it is going to contain an aggregated or transformed data. Here I am creating a materialized view called aggregated orders, inside which you have an aggregate SQL statement which is counting the number of orders and displaying the order status and date of only the urgent orders. Once your view is created, have a look at it by running a select query and limiting the number of rows to 10. Upon executing the query, you will have the view containing the count and the order status and date of orders. Now, I will create a secured materialized view in the same way I created a materialized view. I am going to use the secure keyword instead of materialize with the view name, and I am going to view the view now. I will add a clustering key to both of my views. A clustering key is a subset of columns in a table that explicitly designed to co-locate the data in the table. In the same micropartition, I will alter both views and cluster it on the basis of a particular column like order date. You can verify this by navigating to your database and inside the view, hover over each of the view to see its type, and this is how you can create different types of views in Snowflake. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.